Welcome back to the channel, everyone. As you know, you've been charting my progression in making this Jeep into a Special Forces reconnaissance vehicle during the early to mid part of the Vietnam War, and what a journey it's been. As you can see, the project is still ongoing. The windscreen's out because there's another little task that I need to do to finish that off. Watch this space for the video on that. But the announcement for today is hopefully going to be the new summer project, which is this. Yes, it's a French Army trailer that I now own, and as you can probably tell by the look, it looks very similar to that of US Army trailers. At face value, it's quite a solid trailer, especially underneath. There's no rot or heavy rust. It's all surface rust, and the interior is what you would expect for a trailer that's as old as this is, that's been left out in the elements. But there's no soft crunchy parts that you can poke a screwdriver through, so it's all still pretty solid. The trailer itself, if we look at the manufacturer's plates, I don't know if you're going to pick that up properly, so I'll pop a couple of pictures up there. You can see that this is a Bantam trailer from World War II. You can also see here that on the 10th of May 1954 it was refurbished. So yeah, we have here a Bantam trailer that's been converted by the French Army to meet their needs. The main conversion really was different tyres. These are 6.5 by 16s. The rear headlights, because the original headlights were rubbish and vehicles kept driving into the back of them, so they put some decent lights on them. And the most significant change is the NATO hitch. As you can see, the lunette has a swan neck, and the block in which the lunette goes into is a lot different. And as you can see here, as a comparison, and the reason for that is because these lunettes were designed to be used on multiple vehicles rather than just Jeeps, which is what this one would do. So as you can see, I've already got the parts, or starting to get the parts, to convert this back to, at the very least, a Bantam trailer. But I need to make a decision on whether I want to make it look like a M100 trailer to match the Jeep perfectly. And to do that, all I would do is obviously remove all the French stuff and put some grab handles on each corner, and then that would be it done. So this is just a quick video to tell you what's coming up on the channel. So watch this space for the restoration of this vehicle. If you enjoyed the content, please make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you later.